Hi, it's Bimerzen with a short video, and today I want to answer a question that pops up very often, and that is, can the BMW's N43 engine be fitted with an oil dipstick tube from an older version of this engine? This is the N42 or N46 engine. Now we all know that unfortunately BMW stopped installing the dipstick tubes on the newer engines, so there's no way to check the oil physically. You have to go into the menu in your car, in your dashboard, and check the oil level there. So that only utilizes the oil level sensor that lives underneath the oil pan. And this is very annoying because you cannot actually check the oil level. Now these two engines are pretty similar, although this is a much newer design and this has direct injection and different manifold, but it actually uses the same oil pan. Now I already fitted this N43 engine with an N42 oil pan, and you can see that it's basically the same shape, but it does not have the hole for the oil dipstick tube. Now this means that the oil pan fits perfectly onto the newer engine, but unfortunately BMW changed some stuff on the intake manifolds and on the support arms. If we take a look at the older engine, we can see the support arm here, and then the oil dipstick tube goes up and is attached to this bracket here, and it goes up where it is available to check the oil. On the newer engine, we can see that the support arm actually integrates the two support points for the two bolts that hold the intake manifold in place. And that's actually pretty good because on the older version of these engines you have these bolts that you have to remove from underneath to remove the intake manifold, and they're really hard to get to. I have a video on that if you're interested. I'm gonna link it down below and up in the card. And yeah, this version is much easier to remove. You only need to access here and use some extensions and you can get to the bolts. Now the problem is that, if you can see, that this line here where the support arm meets the engine mount is moved a bit to the back compared to the older engine. You can see that the engine mount is here and then the old dipstick tube is here. And that basically means that there is no realistic way to just swap in this oil dipstick tube from an older engine. So let me show you. This is where the oil dipstick tube goes into the oil pan, and then there's just no way to get around the support arm. Well, maybe you could modify the support arm, maybe shave off a little bit of material here, but then if I take a look from this side, I can see that I would definitely have to cut also into this plastic area here, but then you will still have to somehow attach this part of the old dipstick tube onto the manifold. So basically it's not just a plug and play solution. You can't just swap in these parts from the older engine. You would have to probably somehow fabricate your own pipe and then mount it somewhere. Also on the original dipstick tube you can see this T attachment. This is where the oil drains back from the CCV. If it would be possible, you would still have to block off this hole because you don't need it. The newer style of the engine uses a different system of the CCV. It's basically integrated into the valve cover. So as you can see, you can't just use these parts. So yeah, you will still have to check the oil the standard way. You will have to check it on your dashboard, and when you are doing your oil changes you have to measure 4.3 liters of oil and then, you know, run the engine, check the oil level after a while and then add it. And yeah, it's a bit of pain in the you-know-what. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more videos on the older N42 and N46 engines, I have a lot of information on my channel. And also I have a whole rebuild series on the BMW's N43 engine. So yeah, take a look. Keep zen and continue the art of BMW maintenance.